So you can see this business partner, then basic settings. So the other day we have come till this point, right?
Yeah.
So go to BP role. Go to BP role. Define BP role. Define BP role. Take any one of the BP roles, BUP002, which is for prospect. Copy as. So start with a Z letter, UP. Click on save. Continue. Back. So what I'm doing over here is the BP rules. Again, let me open a new session. As a user, users will use this T code called BP. They use this user called BP. So when they create an organization or person or group, there are certain settings like which you require. So anytime if I want to create a user, I have to first of all remember that business partner cannot be created without a BP role. Remember this. It cannot be created without a BP role. So go to a BP role. And check this. You can see this ZUP022. Now I got a new role under which I can create. So this role is nothing but differentiation according to the business functions. That's it. The role is a differentiation according to the business functions of a business partner.
So in other words, if you create a government prospects as a BP role, that person will be able to see only the government prospects.
No. It's not about to see. It's only to create. It is not seeing, right? We'll see all the roles, but there is a new provision which we have given them. That's it.
Okay.
Nothing else. Yeah. So go to next step, number ranges and grouping. So you have taken these two steps.
Yes.
Define number ranges, define grouping and assign number ranges.
Define number ranges Define number ranges 1 second. Groupings and assign number ranges. Yes. Yes, please.
Go to number ranges and grouping. Define number ranges. Change intervals. Change intervals. Change intervals. So once you go to change intervals, here you can change your numbers, or you can restrict your existing numbers, and then let me check 0005. After 599 it is available. So you can see this 500599. This is the end number. So from there we can, I'm just copying the end number of that 5 series. Let me see if anything more. Yes, this is the last with 5 series. So click on plus interval. Give a unique number here, NO. From number, give a non-overlapping number. Six nine nine nine. This interval is take this one. I've given 73 5006,000 to 699.
But earlier you have taken the number, the range as 5,000 to 599. That you have reset it to 6,000, right?
So I did not reset. I've continued from that place. 599 belongs to somebody else.
Okay, okay. So that means we have not taken that. We have taken it right now from 6,000 to 6,000.
Yes, 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 exactly. Right? Click on save and see this one. There are two types of number ranges. One is internal, other one is external. At present, I'll only take internal. Okay, you can do it external in the later stage when you want to practice. Click on save. Continue. Back. Define grouping and assign number ranges.
Sorry, I've lost bit after
Save, save, save.
What are we doing now?
Define grouping.
Define groupings. Okay. Yeah, save.
Assign number ranges. Go to new entries. Give a grouping number. Government customers number range. Internal number range. And here give 73. Done, all of you?
Yes.
Prasad,
Sir,
Bashir.
I have a query here.
Yeah.
Sir, what is grouping exactly here?
Grouping is a number series which, because see, like this, there will be many combinations, right? They have to give a head,
Okay.
they have to give an index number. Grouping is an index number
Okay.
for these multiple options. Otherwise, they're all mix.
Okay, 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 sir, got it. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Yeah. Click on save. Continue. Now, get into, again you have to refresh it, slash NBP. click on a person, check in this grouping 00, what we selected, what we created, what was the grouping number?
73.
Yes, this is the one.
Government prospect.
So I filled few mandatory address details and I'm clicking save. Now you can see system has assigned 6,000 as the
Okay, okay.
go back. Now field grouping. You always take the second option. Don't take per client. If you take per client, all 800, 200, 300 in every country, wherever the role has different options, if you change the client, everybody will get that change. So don't do that. Configure field attributes per BP role. This is the first step. Click on new entries. F4. It is BP, right? What is our BP role?
Yeah, that's what.
This one, right?
Government
ZU.
prospect, yes. Correct.
So enter. Enter. Then go to field grouping. First select this and go to field grouping. When I am displaying this government customer prospect right now, go to this payment transaction. Can see this bank details. For example, because as there will be a contract and agreement in which all the payment details are there, he is not an individual customer. So we want to remove this bank details option for the whenever they take this role called BP. So next step, remove the bank details option for government prospects. This is, so write this. Bank detail is called data set. It's called data set.
Yes.
Address is also one data set.
Address is also
A data set. Classification is also a data set. So take this bank details. Then it will have multiple options like hide, required entry, field groups have, no need of not specified, right? Field groups has four options: hide, required entry, optional entry and display. Done. Select hide option, click on save. Continue. So go to easy access, again /mbp, try the same option, person, in the same,
VP2. VP2, yes.
click on create. So this time, if you can identify, the entire payment related screen is not there. You can see,
Hiding because, yeah.
because we have hidden that. And it will not delete, okay? Any time can unhide it. Back. Go to edge determination. Write these three steps. Define transaction, define address type, assign transaction to address type. Can all of you mute from your end? There is a small his noise. Yeah, thanks. Hey Neti, your microphone. You have to unmute it. Yeah, thanks. So define transactions, define address types, assign transaction to address types. So click on define transactions. Define transactions. write this. This customization will affect the address overview screen. The address, write a small note there. Address overview screen. Address usages block. This one. Address usages block. We can create new folders there. Remove some practice.
What can be created? New folders?
I'll be showing you. When you see the output, you'll understand. It can be you can create new folders to the address usage. You can see this. This is the folder, address folder, right? This is an address folder. This can be created. Got it? Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir. Okay, go ahead.
No, Nati had some doubt.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah. Now, select one of the receive goods address and copy. Start with a Z letter. And instead of receive goods, I want to have a transit goods address. Enter, save. So define transaction, transit goods. Go back, go to the next step. Define address type. Define address type. Select BPP001, copy as. Okay, transit receipt. Save. The third, and do remember But this is a business address services framework within CRM, BAS. It follows that. That means like pin codes, like country codes, like transportation zones. These all are in the standard CRM system. They have already given this option. So that's the reason it follows. You can see this business address determination. It is type of. It is a transformation from for BP address determination. Write this. Assign transaction to address type. New entry. Click on new entry. Select newly created transaction and select newly created address type. Enter. I'm removing the unwanted junk data.
I think once in a week maintenance you need to spend about 10-15 minutes or something like that to clear out all this clutter, which is not really
No, it's not like that. See, people are practicing it, right? Immediately I should not remove.
correct. Correct, correct. At
It's
least after the session, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
no, because see, maybe until that batch is over, we cannot, because we don't know which
Yes,
one.
yes, I agree. I fully agree with you.
Because last batch, but the before batch I've given this client, and other times they'll give a different client.
I
So
understand.
so sometimes they miss they want to see like what they've created. Okay. So when you get into this any person creation or organization or group, go to address overview. You can see the folder here. This is the new folder, which that means it is going to help you in taking the transit. Transit means sometimes in some areas there is no warehouse. Then you have to use a transit place. So what it helps you is you can simply click on this folder, and on top you have a create icon. It is only a provision for giving a different address for the transaction. Okay? Nothing else. Back. Then data origin also you can take. Maintain data origin type. So click on new entry. Back. So now go to control screen. That because when the data is being created, people should know which kind of from where this particular BP has come from. So it may be a rented business partner information for a campaign. Other examples are third party, legacy. Then go to this status management. So done all of you, Mushir.
Sir, no.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Status management, click on define status profile for, then select one of the existing profiles for business partners. Select this ZBUS status profile. I have already given this government customer status, but here you can see this. There are some number series here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So like this, anything you have to give in this number series only. If I can also enter a new one, but suppose let us assume that gold, silver, diamond. So I want to give a new status called retained customer. That means he is a repeated customer, so our service has to be loyalty customer is already there on top. I think it's there. It's not there. So I'll add a new status called loyalty customer, and I will add it after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 is not there, isn't it? So I can take 19. So I'll take 19, then loyalty customer, and lowest should be standard customer. So I'll take the first one as 10. Maximum should be 19 because this is a repeated customer of all the businesses. And position 1 and priority 1. That can be common for all. So now we can see between these ratios, this is an initial status is always standard customer. If you don't enter anything, the status remains as standard customer. So now save.
What is that priority one? You can change the priorities there.
Yeah, but always we use one only. Suppose priority wise position is 1, which one is having priority? So priority wise it will go on top. Click on save.
Sir, I did not understand lowest and highest. What is lowest and highest?
Oh, this one. So lowest is this number. Suppose you can see any other example. See here the lowest is 97 and highest is 99. That means these three are only the option actually. It will not consider the other ones.
Okay.
Right? These are the numbers.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
You write this definition. This example, status A has status number 30 and the lowest number is 10. Status B has status number 40 and the lowest status number is 20. Once the status B was active for the object, only status with number 20 or higher may be activated. Got my point? That means within that range only it will take this example.
Got it, sir. Got it.
All of you.
Yes,
Done?
to my understanding, the entire process of setting up a business partner, will it take about 25 to 30 minutes time?
And we don't customize every time, right?
Correct. One-time customization.
This is one time. So it doesn't take that much. BP creation is hardly 10 seconds job.
Oh, okay.
And the thing is, we don't use this manual method of creation at all. Have this customization ready and we do automatic tools are there, right? Click on save. Now go to /MVP. Sometimes if there are 50 roles and changes are around 100, so then obviously it may take a week time to finish all those things. Create organization. See, entire customization in a project will be over in 2 months. All the people put together. The time what we spend on customization is 2 months. In a year project, for example. Hardly 20% time goes in that. Go to status. So this is customization is a very simple thing in the real time. The real challenge is to understand the gaps and troubleshoot. Click on Assign Status Profile. Go to the status screen first, the status data set. Select the same status profile where we have changed our statuses.
Loyalty customer.
Yeah. Select the newly created status. Now, I have shown all these things, right? I want you guys to try, go to persons, for example, name components. There is something called maintain academic title. So you can see here, academic title will not come here, right? It will come for whom? Suitable for whom? Groups or organizations or persons?
Persons only.
Only
Persons.
persons. Yeah. So, so go to a person, but you are not seeing an academic title here. How can we go into that? Identification or control? Here, you can see this. Additional fields. So you will get it. You should have that. Okay. Okay. It is talking about something about academic titles. That means where should I search? It is part of identification, is part of address. So it is. You can see this academic title. So these academic titles are already there in the. Cannot wait here. So like that, I want you to do certain. No need of name formatting. Try these two. Then marital status, what to do here and what it updates there, and occupations. Go and search on the front end screen where it updates. Organizations, legal forms, group types also. Okay, try this. Nothing like I think like you guys will try this.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Right? Try this and come back to me tomorrow morning at 7:30.
And
Okay, sir.
can you just share those login credentials?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Sir, I tried to log in as well yesterday when I asked the login credential from you, but I was not able to log in.
What was your user?
You want me to tell you the user ID?
Yes. No, just a minute. I anyway have your.
Sir.
Just a minute. Yeah, tell me. Tell me, Prasad.
మనకి ఇంకొక 10 days పడుతుందా సార్ ఇది కోర్స్ అయిపోవడానికి?
ఈ base customization will take another 5 days. And మీరు
లేదు సార్,
మొత్తం టైం
మొత్తం
పడుతుంది.
అంటే ఈ మంత్ ఎండింగ్ అయిపోతుందా? అదే ఓకే సార్. మా ఆఫీస్లో ఎప్పుడు ఉంటారు సార్ మీరు? ఈరోజు రేపు
ఉంటాను నేను. మీరు ఫోన్ చేసి రండి.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్. నేను 12 తర్వాత ఫోన్ చేస్తాను.
Right.
I wanted to ask you outside class and technology one question, because I am enforced upon me to surrender my laptop when I am trying to install GoToMeeting Quick Connect. It is not getting installed, and if I wanted to do that, can you send me the link from where I can download this GoToMeeting Quick Connect? I don't know, earlier on the XP operating system how I have done, I forgot.
It is simply when I send the URL, it will download an exe. That's it.
Oh, for that session, or it will remain forever on my laptop?
Remain forever. Anytime you can join the same way.
Perfect. Thank you very much. That's what I was just trying to find out. Okay.
Mushir, can you try it now? It will ask you for a change password.
Good. Okay.
So, Nethi, I'll also give you a user. You got the login right already, but you don't have the user.
Nothing.
Oh, you did not.
Link cloud machine.
No, did you have your SAP GUI?
I don't have SAP. I'm just loading it today.
No, I'm talking about SAP GUI. You don't have it?
No.
Just a minute. First of all, you have to install that. I'll send you an URL there.
When this recording is placed on your Dropbox, we click it. We get the video screens also, or it is only the audio?
Both.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
So the error is logon is not possible because you have not been assigned to a business role. Contact your system administrator.
Just a minute. Oh, it says in a business role, right?
Yes.
Why that error should not come to you? I'm changing this number user. Now try this number and password. Same password.
Okay.
So what is the operating system? No,
Mine is
Nathan, one bit. Yeah, tell me, Nathan.
Mine is Windows 7 because XP is being removed from the IBM systems.
No, XP support is December this year stopping it.
And it is the biggest challenge. I will tell you, a lot of applications built are XP compatible now. Windows 7, of course. I don't know why IBM India does. Only after 3 years they introduce the operating system new. While all other regions they have done for 3 years ago.
Oh,
Right
yeah.
now 8 is going on. Here it is only 7.
All application will face a challenge actually. Most of them.
Oh yeah, really. First SAP GUI client is having problem.
It's not a problem. See, GUI actually they was given a separate GUI for Windows 7. It is already there.
Now, can I log out of the session and just leave for the day so that you
Yeah.
can send those
Yeah, I'll
files
send
to
it.
me to my email box?
I'll do that.